Hi there, this is a quick video to show you how I fix the crude props just like this when it's gonna be after fixed it's gonna be like a new one. Just what you need is a sharp edge of hard things like rock, cement edge like this, or just a piece of rock like this. It's like a like people in this stone age. Just you need a sharp edge. So in this case that I don't have two hands, I need to use this corner of a column, and let's see how bad it is. And after that, this is like I need to flatten it out first, and then flatten it out like that, and then should be this angle. And then for the very edge of the propeller, the leading edge, I should fix it with this corner. And then okay, now the tip is flattened now, but it's still bending, so fix the bending, not too much. Okay, that's, and it still have a little chip here at the edge. So what I'm gonna start here, okay, just right here. This side has a better lighting. Okay.
Not working. Okay, I need to and then like this.
Okay, that is pretty much almost like normal, I guess. But let's move on to another blade. Right here. Let's see. So where do we have? What do we have here? That is a dent. There's a dent at this angle. So fix the dent, and then the curve leading edge. Leading edge is like that. And just rub it. Oh no, there's another dent here. Just notice that, not dent here. Yeah. So fix that. Not a big deal. Same technique. Okay, let's fix that. Okay, that's pretty much better. Okay, and here it's just a sharp dent, so I need a corner. Okay, and then at the tip again. At the tip, I just need to flatten it out, like I need to have at the tip, and here we go. Can I just grab the phone with my mouth? Okay, that's good. And now fix the bending a little bit. Okay, nice. Pretty much good. Okay, and here we go. Almost like a brand new prop. Thanks for watching.